Hi, welcome to week 2, module 2, informatics. Once again, this will be your overview video on informatics. Informatics and the future of nursing. As last week, the format is the same. You have your outcomes, discuss the rationale for development of a personal career path through the use of a career legacy map, identify and compare information technology strategies, analyze potential changes to nursing practice implicated by advancements in technology, examine the role of technology in nursing, healthcare, and our society, and discuss how the future of nursing may be impacted by the recommendations of different organizations like the IOM. Reading assignments, you have 2, Hines, Britton, Coleman, N, Humble, Keller, and Walsick, creating a career legacy map, and Institute of Medicine, the future of nursing, leading change and advancing health. Both of these have an active blue link. You have 2 videos, the content video, which you're looking at now, and also a career legacy map video, which is down here. The career legacy map is you actually create a layout with different boxes, what you have accomplished, what your goals are, and what your end goal is. As always, there is a rubric attached to the career legacy map. Please make sure you follow the rubric. There is a box on the rubric required that is other, where you put down what can impede your progress. You have to have between 12 and 15 steps to reach your end goal. You have to have a succinct, a one sentence on what your goal is. All the guidelines are right here for you, and here it says about 12 to 15 steps, and it also says about color coding it so people will know if it's current, future, or past. If you don't want to color code, you can use lines, connecting lines. Solid lines means it's already been accomplished, and dotted lines means it is yet to come. And then down below, if you look, there's your points for the map. And there are other guidelines. There's a template here which you can actually use and then fill in your information. There's a sample. And then going back up here, you have an assignment which is the career legacy map, which you upload it, and you are also responsible to respond to 2 of your peers about their maps, how yours differs from theirs, how they're the same as yours. There are also guidelines for that in the rubric. Here's your informatics video for you to watch to gain some insight on informatics. There are links here for videos. Some of them may work, some of them may not. I'll try to go in and make sure they're active. If you access one and it's not, please let me know so I can go in and correct that issue. YouTube seems to take some active links down at times or changes the links somehow. And lastly, here, course questions again. Don't be afraid to ask. The only question that's stupid is the one that you don't ask. Have a great day, and I hope you're enjoying the course. It's a lot of work, and you have to keep up with it, but I think it's there's good content.